Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews of the best products out there. Today, we're diving into a game-changer for anyone looking to save space while traveling or organizing their home: the FYGRIP 16-pack vacuum storage bags with hand pump. If you're tired of your clothes taking up too much space in your suitcase or closet, these vacuum storage bags might just be the perfect solution. Let's take a closer look at what makes these storage bags stand out. First, they offer an incredible 80% space-saving capability. All you have to do is pack your clothes, seal the bag, and use the included hand pump or a vacuum cleaner to suck the air out. The result? Your items are compressed and neatly stored away, taking up significantly less space. This is perfect for bulky items like bedding, blankets, sweaters, or even jackets when you're packing for a trip or just looking to tidy up your closet. One of the standout features of the FYGRIP vacuum storage bags is the durable construction. They're made from thick, high-quality plastic designed to withstand pressure and ensure your items stay safe. The double zipper seal and triple seal one-way valve ensure that once the air is out, your belongings stay compressed, and the vacuum bags stay sealed. This added protection ensures that your clothes remain clean, fresh, and odor-free, which is a huge bonus, especially when it comes to long-term storage. The bags come in a variety of sizes: 4 jumbo, 4 large, 4 medium, and 4 small. This means you can organize your items based on their size and save space accordingly. Whether you're storing your winter jackets, comforters, or even your travel-sized clothing, you'll find the right bag for the job. The versatility of the sizes makes this 16-pack a fantastic choice for a wide range of storage needs. Whether you're moving to a new home, going on a long trip, or just decluttering your wardrobe. Now, one of the best parts about this product is its ease of use. Whether you're at home or traveling, the included hand pump makes it simple to compress your items. And if you happen to have a vacuum cleaner, you can speed up the process even more. The bags are designed to adapt to most vacuum hoses, making it incredibly easy to use without needing any extra gadgets or complicated instructions. You can compress your clothes in no time and get on with your packing or storage with minimal effort. Another feature worth mentioning is the water-resistant nature of these bags. So, whether you're storing your clothes in a damp area or packing them away for a rainy day trip, you can trust that the contents of your bags will remain dry and secure. The FYGRIP vacuum storage bags are also great for travel. Imagine how much more room you'll have in your luggage when your clothes are neatly compressed. You won't have to worry about overstuffing your suitcase, and with a sturdy design, you can rest assured that your belongings will remain safe throughout your journey. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and affordable solution to save space in your home or while traveling, the FYGRIP 16-pack vacuum storage bags with hand pump should be at the top of your list. They're durable, easy to use, and versatile enough to handle all your storage needs. Whether it's for your home, your closet, or your travel bag, these vacuum storage bags are a must-have. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and make sure to subscribe for more reviews on the best products that make your life easier.